Hello guys, welcome to a new video of my channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can fix camera problem on your Windows 10 operating system. So for you, some people can use external webcam, so some people you can use integrated webcam. So if you face any problem in your camera, so you can do this by, if you want to solve it. So for solving this, all you need to do, you need to go to your start, then you have to right button, click on the right button here, then you have to go to the devices manager. Okay, after coming to the devices manager, as you can see, this is a devices manager. So your device manager looks like this one, so which means you didn't expand it. So if you want to expand this, you have to click on here. So as you can see, so you need to find the camera options from here. So battery is from camera. So you need to find where your camera is. System device, not this one. Okay, sound video. So this is not this one. Storage controller, system devices. Okay, monitors, network adapters, not this one. Other devices. This is it, imaging devices. Okay, this is my camera, HP HD camera. So my camera is this one. So my I am using HP machine, so that's why it is showing HP camera. For you, it can be integrated camera or external webcam. So for if I'm facing some problem, so all you need to do, you have to go to the action, then all you need to do, you have to click on scan for hardware changes. Then it will refresh the all devices manager page. So after doing this, I hope you will you don't see any problem while using your camera. So in case you wanna use uh, external or internal webcam, so it might solve your problem. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.